Hi, I'm Carl from the Woodshoptv, and today I'm going to make this kitchen canister with a threaded insert. Let's get started. Help support the companies that support our community. There we go. It's 5 inches in diameter and 8.5 inches tall. And I just took the sander and sanded off some little flat spots to give it a little bit of shape. I was trying to make it look more like a mason jar, but you really have to leave the wall thickness pretty thick to get that square look. And the inserts, when I was at the Robust Open House this couple months ago, I got to meet Rick and Mary, and that's where I got the inserts. I'll leave a link down below to their website, and they came up with the design to do urns, but I thought I'd do a canister with it. And they're pretty slick. They come with a little rubber O-ring too that you can put on, and they have two different styles, this longer version or a short one. And as far as issues, I really didn't have any issues with it. And again, I finished it with the Howard Beeswax and orange oil. We worked on it a little bit on the live show on Twitch. If you'd like to come and join in on that, I'll be on today at 6 o'clock. I go on 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. If this is your first time here, I have a new project video every Friday. I hope to see you there. Till next week, take care.